So you might be wondering, how do you put on your Lauren Ashtyn Collection topper? When you go to put it on, you're gonna make sure that all 4 clips are open. So you're gonna open all 4 clips. You're going to line the part up of your piece with the part of your hair. What I like to tell people is you're gonna go in about a ½ inch to an inch off your hairline. You're going to straddle your clip with your part, and then you're just going to snap down. The first clip's the hardest. Once you get your first clip, you're gonna hold the first clip, find your back clip, make sure that this is laying flat up against your head, snap down. Then go in on either side, lift, snap, snap. When you are lifting your clip, you're making sure that when you snap down, you're securing your hair. So just instead of going on top and snapping, make sure you lift your clip, snap down to make sure it's extra secure.